Ever wonder why your ad spend goes up or down from month to month? One month your clicks are cheap, the next they cost double. It feels random, but it's not. Let's break it down. First, your ads are in an auction. You're bidding against other cleaning companies and even other industries for space. More competition means higher costs. Second, location matters. Targeting big cities or high-income neighborhoods, that's going to cost more than small towns or rural areas. Third, what you're promoting makes a difference. Common services like house cleaning usually cost more to advertise than niche services like gutter cleaning. Fourth, seasonality impacts everything. Costs rise during spring and fall, and especially around the holidays, even if you're not running holiday ads. Fifth, your ad quality plays a big role. Google and Facebook reward clear, relevant ads with lower costs. Weak or confusing ads will charge you more. And finally, your targeting strategy affects price. Narrow audiences usually cost more, and broader ones cost less, but may bring in less qualified leads. So, how do you manage your ad spend? Plan ahead for seasonal spikes, balance service mix, write clear, compelling ads, avoid over-targeting, and test regularly to see what works best. Ad spend isn't random, it's driven by real factors. The better you understand them, the better your results and your return.